the second weekend for us to visit the Expo, and this time we come earlier. The last time we came a little late actually. That's why we couldn't able to see much of the place. So now we left actually 10 o'clock in the morning. The other last week that was 3 o'clock. So this time it's much more earlier. So we are planning to stay until evening actually. Isabella wanted to stay until late evening. So now she's taking her nap. So we've reached on the site and now we're looking for parking, same as before. But I hope this time we could get a closer parking place, because the last time it was quite far. But anyway, there will always be a service bus and it's free of cost to take you to the Expo, to the main events, right? To the main event. So let's see what things will happen today. And the last time we have visited quite few places actually, and this time we are targeting India, India Pavilion, and US, Canada, and Germany, Saudi. These are like these are the tough list that we have to visit today. So yes, see you then.
ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್? ಓಕೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಅದುವೇ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
Cover the face.
You can reuse again and again.
Yeah.
Look at your father. What's this? And look at this monkey. Bella. So Bella. Shh.
قبل الوصول إلى مكان التحقق من التذاكر. Dear visitors, your safety is our priority. Please have your proof of vaccination or PCR test results ready before arriving to the ticket check.
Belarus. Come, let's go.
Come Bella, take one picture here na entrance. Do like that and take one picture.
Okay. Look here. Done. Let's go. Ouch.
All the God came. I cannot see anything.
I could see. Now we are in Belarus. No line at all. This is like buildings.
4. Let's try high tech. The art of high potential. When and can utilize the installations.
is that skull?
A skull.
Yeah.
That's exit.
Come here. Oh. Wow. See, they make you go out only. We have so many places we have to go. Let us finish. See, look at this. Yes. See, water lake. Fresh water. Oh, so beautiful. Ooh.